Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah, my friends, we have our squeeze here for Faraday Future. Finally, as I said, yeah, this is just a matter of time until we see here the next squeeze. When you have price actions like that, then it is never a single event here, especially when you understand the structure here and the technical setup of the chart. That's why I give you now here an update, guys, and we talk about the next price levels here for FFIE. As you know, everything what I say here is not financial advice. Yo guys, you can see it already here in the open gap table here that we have one more open gap to fill at $3.66. So that was of course sure that we start to squeeze and that we will close this gap. Nothing is of course 100% sure, but the chance is about 90%. I mentioned that in my previous video that this is one of the price goals here. And of course you can see that we're trading here in the pre-market already at $4.35. That means when we start and trade above $3.66, automatically this gap is closed. Even there is no candle, but this means the algos close the gap. So let's check which price levels we have and what are the next price goals here for the squeeze and what needs to happen to see here a potential 10,000% squeeze like we had this here in May 2024. And this is the first thing what we have to see, guys, when we see the trigger zone for the squeeze was here at $1.60. So this was the price range where this massive 10,000% squeeze has been triggered. And what you can see right now that the market makers, yeah, when we see here this price level $1.66, that this candle here went also with a lot of volume. We had very high volume. Yesterday we had 159 million. This is what we want to see. And if this volume stays consistent, guys, in the next days, and of course even goes higher, then we can see here a massive squeeze. So we can clearly see that this candle here initiated the breakout. We have some resistance here, of course, with the EMA lines, but as soon as the price left the $1.60 range here, we gapped up, and this is of course a bearish thing, guys. I will talk about that later. And we gapped up, and now we broke this price levels here to the upside. So what is the potential next price goal? If we now just talk here about an algo squeeze, we can see in total we're squeezing here now more than 300%. Very nice. Nothing special, of course, guys. We have many squeezes like that. As you know, I always try to predict here short squeezes on my channel. And in the past trading days here, we had 5 squeezes in a row here, and you can see everything was between 107% and 480%. Of course, a squeeze from 300% or more is very, very nice. I just want to say this is nothing special in the market, and especially in the bull market in which we are right now. But of course, guys, if you also want to see here my other short squeeze plays, yeah, and of course my hot stocks, which I release here every week, then you can of course join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is this one here, guys, the full package membership on Patreon. You can get a lot of member benefits here if you join in, and we're growing every day, so everybody is welcome here to be a part of our community. If you want to join in, then you can click here the info icon in the corner to get access to the Patreon full package member link. So guys, Faraday Future, I will enable now my drawings that you can see what is waiting here for us, and I think the next price goal is clear. I mentioned that, guys, in my videos. $2.15 is the make it or break it price level. When we leave $2.15, we have a very high chance to squeeze, and it is not in coincidence that the price gapped up above $2.15, because here are the algos waiting. I cannot switch here to the 4 hours chart. I have some Wi-Fi problems actually, but we know that Faraday Future already tried in the pre and after market to break $2.15. I mentioned that in my previous video. Now we can clearly see the gap up over this price level, and then it is just the question now, where is the next price goal? So one of the price goals, as I said, $3.66. I no doubt that we will close that today or break that price level. And the only price level, in my opinion, not a financial advice, of course, guys, I could be totally wrong, as you know, but yeah, the chart is telling us what we need to know. And the next price goal, in my opinion, for a squeeze is $5.23. This will be the price goal where the market makers have to step in, guys. They have to step in. When the market makers don't step in here and we continue to go up with volume, then something like this will happen here, something similar to this, and then we can finally go back here in the two-digit price ranges here for FFIE. Then, in my opinion, we can see that here the price got rejected here in the $10 to $11 range, but also when we see where the previous squeeze started here, that was here in that price range here between $8.60 and $11, guys. Here in that price range, the next squeeze trigger zone will kick Faraday Future to the next price level. This candle closed here. This candle started to squeeze and this candle got rejected. I will draw this price line for you right now, guys. This is not difficult to see that here at $11.45, Faraday Future has the last point of resistance, guys. It is really the last point of resistance, and then we could see here a massive short squeeze for FFIE for today. Yeah, I would be very happy if we close over $5.23. That is the first price goal here. We will already have here a lot of resistance, but if we can continue here with this volume, 100, 200, even 300 million volume, that would be perfect here, and that could bring us the next squeeze level here for FFIE. And then, as I said, one resistance, this is a slow resistance or a low resistance, which I have in the chart, $7.61. I think, guys, everything here back to $11.45 is possible when we break that price level, guys. Yeah, then we can drink some, I mean, we drink some champagne anyway today. Yeah, we have New Year's Eve. And by the way, guys, I wish you nothing but the best and all the best for 2025 for everybody who is watching this video here right now, every viewer, all my members and all my followers, guys. Thank you for your support. Yeah, I really thank you. It's a very nice journey here, and I love to do that here to give you some information in my videos. And I got a lot of positive feedback here in 2024, and yeah, there is no doubt we will see us back in 2025 if you want, guys. So for this here, $5.23 is the price level for FFIE. This is what I expect here to reach today, if we of course don't see a huge rejection already in the pre-market. The market will open in a few minutes, guys, so that is, in my opinion, no doubt that $3.66 gap is closed. And what you can see here in the gap table, at least in the daily chart, the next open gap would be $45. This is a little bit far away, in my opinion. Is it realistic? Everything is possible, guys. I think $11.45 could be one of the next price levels if, as I said, if we close today above $5.23, if we can close here and can keep the volume up, guys, then I think everything here back to $11.45 is possible. And yeah, when we have the same setup here like we had in May, guys, yeah, I mean, then everything is possible. 10,000% squeeze, that was absolute massive. And we have some open business here, yeah. That's why I say the open gap table is showing $45, and I still have my drawings in the chart. I never changed that, guys. And you can see this big fat yellow box in the chart. Technically, we had here a stock split, and there is no stock split for now. Technically, yeah, this is open business in the chart between $47, $90, and $60, guys. Yeah, but I don't want to create FOMO. I don't want to hype you up. Yeah, we're still trading here at $4. Yeah, but just to let you know, technically, yeah, here is a lot of potential in Faraday Future. That is also the reason, this is the reason why I never stop doing videos here on FFIE, because I know when we have some squeeze of that here, there will always be a post squeeze. And guys, if you missed that squeeze here, no worries. As you know, I post here a lot of potential squeeze stocks. Just today, guys, I released a 900% squeeze play where we have 900% short squeeze potential. So you can check that out when you join here the Patreon membership. But also for Faraday Future, we will see a post squeeze, and I will update you on the sticker here as well. Yeah, guys, if you want to copy the price levels here, I zoom out a little bit. So $5.23 is the first price level. Don't forget, $2.15 is the make it or break it price level. In worst case, if we see here a huge sell-off and the market opens, the market makers will try to bring the price back below $2.15. And $5.23 is the price goal for today or the next trading days. And when we close above that with volume and don't see a sell-off the next day, guys, then we have here much higher price goals. If you want to copy the price goals here, the price levels, as you know, everything what I show here is based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. Guys, if you want to learn trading, if you really say, hey, my job just sucks, I want to learn trading, I want to become a successful trader, everything is possible if you just want. But what you need, guys, is a good broker who gives you access to many tickers here, and you need a good trading program, and that's why I always recommend TradingView. I use that by myself for all my videos and of course for all my trades, and that's why I can give you here also a $15 discount link on the premium tier. When you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access, guys, to the TradingView discount link. My friends, I wish you nothing but the best. A happy new year. Yeah, please have a safe trip in 2025. And thank you for your support. Thank you for your time. And see you in the next video. If you like this content, guys, and if you don't want to miss any updates, if you're just viewing this video right now, please hit the like and subscribe button. I upload here content almost every day. My friend, thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. The market opens right now. Let's see what Faraday Future can do and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye und alles Gute und guten Start ins neue Jahr. Guten Rutsch. Bleibt gesund. Ciao, ciao.